Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode does not really matter that much. I just wanted to draw attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear. Let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on this option and tap on Restore. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.